Assalamu alaikum, dear children. How are y'all? Say, I am fine, Alhamdulillah. I am fine, Alhamdulillah. Alright, I'm your teacher. Who am I? I'm your teacher. Alright, let us learn something together. Fine. Do you like to hear some rhymes? आपको पोएम सुनने अच्छा लगता है? Yes? So today we are first going to learn a poem, a rhyme together. Alright? So are you ready? Come on. So we begin with the rhyme time. Ding 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 ding. Rhyme time. Alright. Students, have you seen birds outside? Which birds have you seen? कौन से वाले birds देखे हैं आपने बाहर? What we commonly see is sparrow, चिड़िया जो होती है sparrow. Then we usually come across crow, कौवा, pigeon, कबूतर. Sometimes we get to see a parrot, तोता भी दिखता है कभी कभी. Yes? So birds look very very beautiful. Okay? And what can the birds do? They can fly. The birds can fly with the help of their wings. Okay, come on everybody. Start flying like a bird. Start flying like a bird. Bird, bird. Alright. So today a new bird is coming to meet us. Assalamu alaikum children. Assalamu alaikum children. Hey bird, who are you? What is your name? I am a kookaburra. I am a kookaburra. Where do you stay? किधर रहते हो kookaburra? I stay on the old gum tree. अच्छा, old gum tree में रहते हो? जंगल में? Yes, I stay in the jungle on the old gum tree. So, are you happy or sad? I am very very happy. I am very very happy. So, kookaburra, today we are going to sing a song about you. Will you hear us out? Yes, I'll be very happy to sing along. Alright, kookaburra. Then you can sit over there. Meanwhile, me and the little children are going to sing a song for you. Okay, so my dear children, first I'm going to sing the song in Urdu. Okay, and then the same song we are going to learn in English. That will be a lot of fun. Okay, the song किसके बारे में है? Song is about the bird kookaburra. Okay, let's sing. 1, 2, 3, start. कुकुबारा जंगल का राजा है, कुकुबारा जंगल का राजा है, पेड़ की टहनी पे बैठा है, पेड़ की टहनी पे बैठा है, हंसो कुकुबारा हंसो, हंसो कुकुबारा हंसो, कुकुबारा जैसे तुम बन जाओ, कुकुबारा जैसे तुम बन जाओ. ऑलराइट, तो ये था हिंदी में कुकुबारा सॉन्ग. नाउ the same song we are going to learn in English. Okay, the song is about kookaburra. Okay, so say a little words after me. Kookaburra, kookaburra. Name of the bird is kookaburra. Old gum tree. Tree पे रहता है ना? Old gum tree. Okay. Merry merry. Merry merry means very happy. Merry merry. King, king यानी राजा. Of the bush, bush plants, bush is he. Laugh, laugh, हंसो. Gay, gay is to be happy, very very happy. Peaceful, happy, बहुत खुश. Gay your life must be. Now, since we know the words, now singing the song will be very easy. And then remember, my dear children, you have to learn the song. Alright? So let's sing. Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh, laugh, Kookaburra, laugh. Kookaburra gay your life must be. Kookaburra gay your life must be. Okay, so this was the song, a very happy song about Kookaburra. So come on everybody, stand up wherever you are. All the children, come on, stand up. Yes, I can see, mashallah, all my little babies have stood up. Okay, now let us sing the song again. Kookaburra will be very happy. This time Kookaburra is also going to sing with us. Let me get him. 1, 2, 3, start. Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh, laugh, Kookaburra, laugh. Kookaburra gay your life must be. Kookaburra gay your life must be. Alright Kookaburra, are you happy? Yes, dear children. Jazakallahu khair for singing a song for me. Now I have to go. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. That was a lot of fun indeed. Now students, we are going to the next segment of our class. Now we are going to start with our English workshop. English workshop. Alright, so let's begin with that. Okay, so now my dear children, y'all are in upper KG, senior KG. Y'all have become a little big, grown up children. So already y'all know A to Z. आप लोगों को A to Z सारी ABC आती है आपको, right? आती है ना? Mashallah, very very good. So anyways, first we'll start with the ABC song. We'll just revise the ABC song. Then we can proceed further. ठीक है, चलो सब लोग मेरे साथ में सॉन्ग गाएंगे ABC वाला. Alright? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z X Y Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, you better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you A, B, C. Yay! Very good. Now, let's meet 3 letters today. We are going to meet letter A, letter B and letter C today. इन लोग को मिलते हैं. Are you excited? आप वेट कर रहे हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए? मैं तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. Come on, let's meet them. So dear children, let us meet letter A. This is letter A. Mama A and the baby A. Capital A and the small a. What is the sound of A? Okay, A की क्या sound है? A says A. What is the sound of A? A. So, whichever objects, okay, जो भी objects, जो भी words letter A के group में है, letter A के family में है, उनमें first sound होगी A. As in A, and. A, and. A, and. Now children, can you think about the words which start with letter A? Let us think. Bat. What is the first sound? Bat. No, it doesn't start with A, because for A, my mouth should open. A, like this. A. Okay? The first sound has to be A. As in aeroplane. मुंह खोला aeroplane. Ambulance. Yes, arrow. Angel. देख रहे हो मेरा मुंह ऐसे खुल रहा है. So whenever you have to identify, आपको पहचानना है कौन से letters, okay, कौन से words letter A से start होते हैं. You have to see to it that your mouth is opened while saying that word. So you will understand that okay, ये तो A family वाला word है. Yes, so that is letter A. Okay, it goes up, down and a sleeping line, and this is the baby letter A. You already know how to write the capital and the small letter A. Alright, let us proceed further now. Bye aunt. Now we move on to the next letter. The next letter is B. Letter B. Alright, so this is the mama bee and this is the baby bee. Mama bee and the baby bee. Okay, so what is the sound of bee? A की आवाज है a. B की क्या sound है? B says b. B का sound है b. Now the words which start with the letter B will always start with the b sound. The words which start, जो words letter B से start होते हैं वो हमेशा b sound से शुरू होंगे. Okay, for example, let us see over here. What do I have? Ball. B. Ball. Ball. B. Ball. Yes. Balls are bouncing, Balls are bouncing, is the sound of B. So, the sound of letter B is B. Let us think about some other words that begin with the letter B. Right? Let us think about it. Monkey. No, the first sound is not b. It's not bunky. It's monkey. We have to have the sound b. Right? So bat. B. Ball. B. Balloon. Yes. B. Basket. Bus. We travel in a bus, right? Bus. So b is the sound of B. Writing work, you already know how to write letter B. Make a standing line with your pencil, then a curve and another curve. Yes, and small b has a standing line and only one curve like this. You can practice it a little later. Yes. Now, moving ahead, the next letter that we are going to learn today is C. Here comes, okay, here comes the letter C. This is the letter C. Alright students, we are learning about the letter C. The letter C. The sound of letter C is k. Khasi. K. Okay, C says k. How you cough, right? Khaste kaise? K. So C says k. Alright. So the words that will start with C will have the k sound. The words that start with C will have the k sound. Alright. So let us see which words start with the letter C. Alright. So here I have a small little Can you see what is this? It's a small little car. Car, 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 car. C, car, car. Yes, C, car, car. C, car, cat. C, car, cup. C, car, cup. C, car, comb. कंघी जिसे करते हैं. C, car, comb. Alright, so we have understood 3 letters today along with their sounds. First was A. A says A. Ants on the apple, A, A, A. A is the sound of A. Then we learnt about B. Balls are bouncing, B, B, B. B is the sound of B. Then we started with letter C. Caterpillars coughing, K, K, K. K is the sound of C. Now, let us look into your book. Here on this side you have the alphabet chart, and all over here you have an exercise. You have to circle the odd one out over here. Okay, let's look at the first one. Odd ones out means you have to say the word and think which sound is different. कौन से word की sound अलग है. ठीक है, let's start with the aeroplane. Aeroplane, A, मतलब A का ये word है, A, aeroplane, A. A, apple, A. So दोनों जो word है वो A वाले हैं. Next comes the ant, A, ant. So all these 3 are friends. They are a family. ये सब साथ में. And then we have a ball, B. So ये अलग sound है. This sound is different. These 3 belong to the A family and this belongs to the B family. So ये अलग है. This is what you will circle. Okay, Mama will help you with this. Alright. Now, look over here, children. Here there are some pictures on this side. You can see the pictures and you have to write the first letter of the picture. You have to write the letter with which that picture begins. Okay, the first letter of the picture you have to write. A, apple, cat, K, C, K, cat. E, egg. Okay, what is this? ये क्या है? Grapes, G, grapes. Like this you will complete this page by taking help of your mummy or daddy. Alright, fine. Now what is the next thing for you? Next thing is also very interesting. Yes, concept time. Concept time. So students, today we are going to learn about the color red. Red, R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Color red. Look over here. What color is this? This is the color red. Okay, there must be many things in your home which are red in color. Yes, so this square is red in color. R-E-D, red. Alright, now let's look at some other objects which are red in color. Look at these little shoes. These shoes are also red in color. The shoes are red in color. Yes. Furthermore, look at this carry bag. Look at this carry bag. Yes. What color is the carry bag? The carry bag is also red in color. Red in color. Now, we will look at a few containers. Okay, is this red? Is the container red? Look, is this red? ये लाल है, red है? No, this is not red. Is this red in color? Red? Is this red in color? No, this is also not red. Here comes the next one. Is this red in color? Yes, this is the color red. The container is red in color. The container is red in color. Now, this is something for you. Let us have a look. I have some quills in my hand. Okay, these are called as the quills. So tell me, look at this one. Is this red in color? Look, does it seem red to you? अगर red है तो आपको बोलना है yes teacher, it is red in color. अगर red नहीं है तो आप बोलेंगे no, no, this is not red in color. So look at this quill. Is this red in color? No, this is not red in color. Let us look at the second one. Is this red in color? Is the quill red in color? No, no, no. This is not at all red. This is not red in color. Here comes the next one. Ta-da! Is the quill red in color? Yes, the quill is red in color. Now, बच्चों, मैं आपको एक काम करने बोलती हूँ. सब लोग अभी इमीडिएटली उठो, भागो, कोई चीज उठा के लेके आओ घर में से which is red in color. Bring an object from home which is red in color. Find an object from home that is red in color. Come on, 1, 2, 3, run. Go bring the object. जाओ, भागो, लेके आओ. Run, 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 run. Very good, MashaAllah. Now, let's proceed further. Last topic for the day is number fun. Number fun. Okay. So, my dear children, you all are already familiar with the numbers, right? आपको already numbers काफ़ी सारे पता है, आपको मालूम है. Still, we will first revise the numbers and then from there we will take it further. Okay? So today we will be revising the numbers 1 to 10. From the number 1 to number 10, we are going to revise the number. Okay? So let us start by singing a rhyme, a poem, a song about numbers. Okay? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Yes? Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Very good. Now let's start counting numbers from 1 to 20. Yes? Rote counting we will do. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very nice. Alright students, now what we are going to do is, we are going to learn the number name, and we are going to count the objects. Alright, let's begin with that. 0. 0 means there is nothing. 1. 1. O-N-E-1. We can see there is only one watermelon over there. There is only one watermelon over there. O-N-E-1. Next, 2. Number 2. There are 2 mangoes over here. T-W-O-2. 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 Next, 3. Show me 3 fingers on your hand. 3, 3, 3. Yes, 3. T-H-R-E-E-3. T-H-R-E-E-3. There are 3 bananas. 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. Now, next is the number 4. 4. 4. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number name is F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. बच्चों ये आपने ऑलरेडी जूनियर केजी में किया हुआ है, राइट? सो टीचर आपको रिवाइज करवा रही है, ठीक है? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 5. 5 fingers. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F-I-V-E 5. Let us count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. Next is 6. S-I-X 6. So how many strawberries are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 strawberries. Next is 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Let's count the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Next is 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Let's count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, number 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. Alright, let's count the cherries. I thought these are apples, but I think these are cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last number is 10. T-E-N 10. So how many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 carrots. Do you like to eat carrots? आपको पसंद है carrots खाना? Come on. Now I'll show you what exercise you are going to do at home today. Let's see. Look over here. You have to count and match. You have to count the number of airplanes over here. There is only one airplane, so you will match it with the number 1. Take a pencil, match it with the number 1. Then let's count the cars. How many cars are there? 1, 2, 3. Match it with the number 3. Where's the number 3? Search, 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 search. Where's the number 3? Oh, here it is. So match it with number 3. Like this, students, you are going to match the number to the object. Alright? And on this page, the number is already given. Okay? You have to draw those many objects. For example, what number is this? This is number 9. Number 9. So you can draw 9 circles or 9 stars. Okay? Or 9 chocolates, whatever you wish to. So these 2 pages, drawing objects and matching work, you will sit with your mummy and daddy and do it. Alright, that's it for today. So children, what have we learned today? Teacher will just revise it with you. We have learned the poem about Kookaburra. We learned about letters A, B, C and their sounds. Okay, we learned about the letter, the color red also, and we revised the number 1 to 10. Alright, so Jazakallahu khairan, बहुत मज़ा आया आप लोगों के साथ में. So take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum children. Allah Hafiz.